have an alcohol pickup. Fuck, bro. It's like, but, oh gosh, it's just colder. That's my point. Hello, I'm good. I got this all ready. It's a key. I'm not a coal hater. I love the coal. Damn it. I'm trying to grab something. Let me show you what I got. This is what we got. Yay. So we are looking at a, oh no, oh crap, 15-minute drive to the location. There's a lot of traffic right now. A lot of traffic. Speed bump. Put some light on so I can see. How's your night going?
I'm well. How are you, sir? That's very simple.
Okay. Yeah, I see it. Okay. My night's going pretty good.
Good?
I just got out here. This is my first delivery, so I'm excited.
All right, man.
It's cold, though.
Come in.
I'll stay right here. I don't want to go all...
It's okay.
You sure?
It's fine.
All right.
As long as you don't mind this guy.
Oh, right down. Hey, little baby. Hi. Who's your little cutie? Who's your little cutie? Yes, I do. Hi. Hey, little baby. Yes. Welcome. You're welcome. Hey. All right. He is really cool. But fuck. Like he says, you can see the glitter, bruh. The glitter, bruh. That's how much I got in gas today so far. I have a pickup at Pizza Work. No.
Oh, it's so good.
That's what you got?
It's really yummy. Really.
Sounds delicious.
No, every time I order it here, I find myself inspired within the next couple of days to make my own spice really.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So it's like you get it here and then you're like, I can make it, but let me change it up like this.
Yeah, I'm still I used smoked paprika. They use paprika scum and like Hungarian mushroom soup, but I use smoked.
That sounds tasty.
Yeah. Yep. Hey, so you're gonna make 4 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
This.
Can't really show. Let's make a show. I go from this side. Okay. A side shot. Hello.
It always puts you over there.
Yeah, it took me. I was like, what?
Just let him follow the GPS. It's like, GPS is wrong.
It's wrong. There you go.
Awesome. Thanks a lot.
You're
man.
welcome. Have a, you too.
Good job, man. You can pull straight through.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Appreciate that. Have a great night. I have a pickup at Legendary Sushi. Oh my god. Stretching. Okay, so good. Let's see what they got. I got this. That was a very long wait. Shit. I thought I turned my car on. I didn't. While I was grabbing the Legendary Sushi pickup, I had an alcohol pickup came through. Hello, how you doing?
Good, how about you?
I'm good. I have a pickup for... I have this all set. Let's go. The bag is ripping currently in my hands because it is cold. I have these two to go. Let's see which one goes first. Legendary Sushi. Hello. Yes. I was trying to figure out where it is, but I couldn't find it.
Yeah, it's kind of weird. But...
Oh, it's around that side? It brought me in the middle here, that's why. But I got you. Thank you so much. Have a great night. Thank you. It's gonna take me 5 minutes to get to my destination to drop off the alcohol. I am on my way to that right now. And I already have another delivery that I... just arrived. Hello. How you doing? While I'm at this light, it's not a light, stop sign. The light is the light that's flashing on me. I have a pickup I have to go to right now, and it is 16 minutes away. Yeah, 16 minutes away. I'll see you guys when I get there. All right. Yeah. I'm at Walmart right now. There is a line. So I'm gonna wait. It's 8 something. Is it 8 something? What time is it? Let me get it right. Let me get the time right. It's 7:48. That's what time it is. And getting this delivery going into 8 is pretty good because I'm close to ending the night. So I'm feeling pretty good. Oh, I want to pee so bad. Taco Bell's right around the corner, but I don't want to lose my spot, you know? So I'm gonna listen to music and distract myself until I can pee. Because as soon as I get this order, I'm peeing. That's the first thing I'm doing. Actually, Taco Bell might be closed. No, it's not. It's not. No negative thoughts. I'm peeing after this. Get y'all ready to go. Just got here. Yeah, I'm getting gas. Let's see how much it goes up to. Let's go, let's go, let's go. It's so cold. Come on, come on. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. So I just arrived here to Walmart and I have another delivery to go. I am not tired, still feel energized, so I'm excited for this. That is cute as fuck. Whoa. I have to stop for this. This is so crazy. Alright. That is crazy cute. Turn the heat up. Oh my. It's already slippery. Some eggs go. It's freezing. Little dogs are barking. Just a couple more to go. This. There is pizza. Oh gosh, cold stuff. Pizza. This here. This here. There's still a pathway. And this is looking good so far. Okay. Oh. Whew. There's so cool. Have a good night. Oh, yes. Whew. Oh. Right now it is 10:50. Oh. I saw a fox. It looked like my baby cat. I have a cat named Spotty, and he's a really big cat. So the fox from in the car looked like a big cat, but it was a fox. And I slowed down, like I was driving the speed limit, whatever that was, and I slowed down so it can run by. There wasn't anyone behind me. It was just like really quiet, so. But he was waiting on the side of the road, like waiting to make sure no cars were coming before he'd go. But I think the way the road is set up, like when it was clear and he thought he could go, I am turning the turn. It's like a blind spot. Yeah, it's a blind spot. So. And oh, the last delivery that I just did, my toes was freezing after that. Like the bottom of my shoes, it like this time of the night it is just 10 times colder, bro. It is 10 times colder. Like, I'm happy I'm almost home. I'm so happy. Alright, thanks for hanging out with me, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Oh, Spotty. Oh, is that a big roll? Is that a big roll? Yes. Yeah, you. Miss you too. I miss you too, big guy. Yes, I miss you too, Spotty.